Hello everyone, welcome you in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Muhammad Sirajul Faizi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, LS College, Muzaffarpur. Friends, today in this video I am going to talk about chemical shift. The exact field strength in ppm of nuclei comes into resonance relative to a reference standard TMS. You know what is TMS? This is tetramethylsilane. The structure of TMS is this tetramethylsilane. The reference standard delta is equal to 0 for proton NMR. This is very important compounds. So just like you are saying CH4 methane, and this is the silane, tetramethylsilane, TMS. For most of the competitive examinations, the selections committee member, they are asking a structure of TMS and why it is standard for proton NMR spectrum. To concentrate on a structure of tetramethylsilane and concentrate on number of hydrogen present in tetramethylsilane. So total 3 total 12 proton present in tetramethylsilane, and that is good because most of the compounds not contains such types of 12 proton on single silane. So electron clouds, that is shield nuclei from the external magnetic field. Now external magnetic field, just look at here, I already discussed about this one. Without external magnetic field, they are randomly oriented, no any rules of random orientation. So we called it randomly oriented. But when you applied external magnetic field, some is aligned with the magnetic field, some is opposed with the magnetic field, and according to that you will get the energy difference. You know the energy is equal to gamma b naught h 2 pi, h by 2 pi commonly known as S cross, and b e naught is the external magnetic field, or gamma is gyromagnetic ratio. So friends, causing them to absorb at slightly higher energy. Shielding, influence of neighboring functional group on the electronic structure around a nuclei, and consequently the chemical shift of their resonance. Look at ethyl acetate. So look at the structure of ethyl acetate. What you are expecting with this spectra and this structure. So this is the proton NMR. I am not talking about the carbon, I am not talking about the oxygen. I am talking about number of hydrogen present in ethyl acetate. So total number of hydrogen present in ethyl acetate is 8, but 8 hydrogen are in not same environment. This CH3, DH3 are different. This CH3, CH2 are different. This CH3 and this CH2 are different. So 3 different types of proton present in the molecules. So we are expecting 3 peak, and you got 3 peaks. Now due to splitting nearby protons, this CH3 is split by triplet and this CH2 is split by quartet, because 3 is the neighbor, here 2 is the neighbor. So quartet is here, so green one represent this and blue one represent this, and it is not splitting because there is no proton nearby this proton, so this one is singlet and red one belongs to this peak. So 3 peak, and this is the pattern of splitting. So this is the compound and this is the structure and this is the spectra of the ethyl acetate. Now look at the spectra which is generated by computer. We called it high field and we start with the 0. This is the peak of TMS, tetramethylsilane, and 0 to 10 and more than this. So this side we called it low field. Low field. Most of the time people in confusion, it is high and why low field. This is magnetically low field and this is high field. So high field start from the low values of ppm and low value is higher. Direction of field sweep, and this is the high field and this is the low field. We called it upfield and shielded. Here upfield and shielded. Calibration peak TMS, tetramethylsilane. Upfield, shielded, high field. Downfield, deshielded. This term just remember it. Upfield shielded and downfield deshielded. Don't remember both sides. Just one side remember it. Upfield, shielded, high field. So look at this methyl acetate. So how many types of proton present? 2 types. So you are expecting 2 types of peaks. So it is there 2 types of peak. This is TMS. And your x-axis is chemical shift. It is denoted by delta and y-axis is intensity. So this red one belongs to this and this blue one or green one belongs to this. Why it is high? Because it is near to oxygens. We will talk later why it is here and this here. But good thing that now you know, if you have molecules like that and you count the number of proton, total number of proton is 6 and 6 proton is now not same environment, in 2 different environment. So 2 types of proton present in methyl acetate. So we are expecting in NMR spectra 2 peak and we got 2 peaks. Now this one is also singlet because this is not any proton nearby this CSA and also this. So both are singlet, not like this because here is different. This one is singlet but this CSC CS2 create quartet and triplets. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video then subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.